Look at this
still
bitch. Look what this guy did.
He clamped it?
Yeah, look at that.
He burnt it?
No, he smashed it. Trying to force it in there. Stupid mother. Perfect. Are we in the spot?
No.
Damn.
Ain't too many escalators riding around like
You
that.
gotta wrap that with tape or something? Black tape?
You got some? I ain't got none.
Damn.
Oh, she
No, I would have
gone.
bought some at the thing.
Now she gonna turn around.
Yeah, I like that.
Are you gonna need? Oh, you know what?
I ain't got no tape. I hate tape. I don't ever use tape. I don't know why. I
Then
never
what
use
the hell would you use to fix that? You got the shrink wrap, don't you?
I do have shrink wrap.
I
Damn.
just went like this.
But
I
you
haven't re-upped on anything.
oh, it's too fat to get it over there. It'll be all right though, right?
That would be all right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right,
I'm not
yeah.
worried about that.
What about all this? Just leave it? Because it's working, man.
Yeah, I just make sure that nothing's touching. Like this right here, this
Yeah.
wire, we gotta. I can probably, if I have small enough shrink wrap, I gotta find a drill bit now to make this home.
Look at this guy. That's the only thing.
So between and here, you don't need, from this eyesight, you don't need any type of grommet because weather is still introduced right here. But between, from outside of this metal to the inside, you do need a grommet so you can not build condensation and
Okay.
all that other stuff.
And I knew I should. I took the tape out and I was like, yo, I should bring it.
Oh, just a little bit.
It's that Toyota plastic seat, like that GM shit. You don't, my brother. See this right here. This is why.
Yeah, it's pretty straight.
Perfect. Look at that.
You just gotta angle it right.
It's why you got to come to the right people to do the right shit who actually care. Hey, if you're watching this, that son of a bitch who did it, this is how you're supposed to do it.
And then from there now, test fit real quick, put a light. For example, if this goes in here right here, you see we have access right here.
To everything.
Right there.
Perfect. This is the right way to do it, guys. But this only happens if you got good friends.
I'm gonna close this trunk. You gonna be able to open it back up?
Yeah. Show you guys. Always show you guys how to the real way. Because everybody on YouTube makes shit look so easy, and it's not.
That's one size, another step. It's almost there. That looks actually all right, actually. Nope, a little bit bigger. Just one more step down. See? Boom.
Like a glove. Shit's so professional.
You see?
I don't even think even a shop would have did that. Hell
And then
no.
if you want to, you can always put a dab of
Sealer.
silicone. Yeah.
Yep.
If you
Might
want
even
to.
do that.
If you want to. But now it's serviceable. Boom. We can adjust it little by little when we need to. Yep. Yep. Yeah. I don't have a thing to patch it. Mine's, we'd have to make the hole bigger.
Oh, what? For the grommet?
Yeah.
No, that's fine. I'll use some of that tape.
So for example, what I would do in some scenarios, I would follow the path of this coming down.
Yeah.
But because we don't, yeah, we have plenty of room right here. We have, this one's tight, so I'm not gonna go this route. If I had rented from the beginning, then I would have done that route.
Really?
In this case, I'm going down this way.
You want me to give you a little more slack?
No, it's all good.
Okay.
And then from here, what's this?
I tapped the wires. He left it.
So-
I did a T-tap because I thought that the wires ran.
No, this is a
know,
license plate
I
light. It's
know.
not what's it called.
I know, I
All right, so
understand.
let's remove them. Because they're staggered, it'll be all right. We'll just do this right here.
Oh, so that's good. You don't got to do nothing.
No, they're staggered. They're not open like crazy.
And I tried to do that on purpose.
And so I'll give it a service loop. You see,
Okay.
it won't be tight pulling. We'll give it a minor service loop,
Okay.
and then we'll just start zip tie.
Dude, look how neat this is.
Do another service loop, and then start zip tie.
So that's all the
Then we'll
slack.
trim it all out. See?
You want me to go make sure it works?
Why? We ain't doing nothing different.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna trim it all done when it's up and done. And boom. This, I'm not a fan of tape, but we're gonna put tape on it because we ain't got nothing else.
What about this? This ground and everything? That's good? That's what he
Yeah.
did. All this? Yeah, you said just leave it.
I mean, ideally you'd want to run a ground down to the body, you know what I mean? But this is still connected, so it's
Okay.
not gonna hurt it, man.
Yeah, it's obviously.
It just
working.
looks like it.
Okay.
But again, you have a cover that goes over it too, so ain't nobody looking at it.
Oh, yeah, you're right about that. Huh?
Yeah, you ain't gonna see it. I start right here. I'll make my first run right here, maybe one or two, and then I'll come and then I'll put this over this and do another run of it like this. You see?
But you don't recommend this tape?
No, because it has this residue. It has adhesive on it. You know what I mean? This is not the exact same tape as this tape. This tape is self-adhesing. So as it wraps and it touches itself, it will adhere to that. This actually has a glue on it. When the heat, it'll expand. It'll get all slimy. You gotta work on it in the future. It'll be nasty. It's not. This is electrician tape, not car electrical tape.
Yeah, that's something that I learned today.
Need some cutters so we can cut these zip ties and then just make
I
it
should
look
put some.
pretty.
These are cut. Those cut.
No, we need some dice. I got some.
What are you doing?
Redoing it.
Oh, you're gonna redo it? Oh wow, you cut the factory joint.
What?
You cut the factory zip tie.
No, I cut the zip ties that somebody put here.
Oh, he put those there?
I don't know who put those there. There's a factory.
I thought they were factory like this.
That's not factory.
He put that there?
Yeah, somebody put that there. That's not factory.
Oh.
Factory is this. These are the clamps. These are factory. These are factory.
Oh.
Stuff like this may be factory. This is not factory. This is factory. This is not factory.
Okay.
But I mean, try it a little bit. So this right here, I'm just gonna do it my way. It's not necessarily the right or wrong way. I just want to do it the way I want to do it.
It's the right way.
No,
It's the right way.
no, it's just a way.
We're only showing Carl's Garage. I mean, on Carl's Garage, we're going to show the right way. So,
This comes. Oh man, this bothers me. Here with this.
oh, sorry, my bad.
No, this way. I'm trying to.
You about to trim that bitch?
No, I don't want to.
Okay.
I want to, but I'm not gonna. I want it to look perfect.
You trust his tape job?
It'll work. It's not a crazy circuit to be a part of. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But just make it look pretty. This is it. And
Yeah, see, this is all the shit he should have cared about and did.
And then this, because it's so long, I mean, I really can't do nothing about it, but
Yeah, fold it up, tighten it up.
How's it going?
Look, keep buttoning all of it up. Nice. Button all this up nice. It's already done.
That ain't electrical tape, is it?
it is. Unfortunately, it is.
No, he tightened all this was exposed. Yeah.
Where's this place at, babe?
What place?
That you wanted the gordita.
Bigger.
Taco Punchos. By the Sean.
The only one I know is the one I like.
Here, get it.
When this goes up here, I want to see how far. What is this? This is right here, right? Yeah. So when this goes here, I don't want any wires past this. So this is my clamp. Okay.
And then this one hanging out.
Aldi mirror, Aldi drive.
You want me to go in there and pull it?
No. Not right here.
There's a lot more in there.
You're standing in his light, babe.
Huh?
You're standing in
Oh,
his
shit.
light.
I'm gonna leave it out there for right now.
Oh, that looks a lot better.
Yeah, he tightened everything up.
Yeah. They're putting a backup camera.
Well, the guy, we paid somebody and they did the worst job ever. Yeah, they fucked up everything.
Carl, mad.
No, he was so
They paid
mad.
him $80 to do a shit like the worst fucking.
We found him on Facebook Market, the guy.
I hate Facebook.
Yeah, Carl made a video.
Yeah, 8-minute video cussing this motherfucker out. Tagged them and everything.
He ain't responded?
He blocked me.
Nah, he blocked me.
He
I
blocked
got
me.
that burner account that I do on my Facebook page. I'm gonna go on there and post on there too. And I already put it on my TikTok. I'm waiting on it to load. It keeps taking forever.
Did you reach out?
Yeah, so I called him first. I'm like, hey, my man, when I got in the car, everything was like, I paid him extra to assemble it.
Yeah.
So I called him like, hey, my man, it's like this, like this. His mother, no, it's not this. I'm like, bro, I installed the radio and I filmed the entire thing. I know what is missing. No, it's not doing this. I didn't do that, So I'm like, yo, I want, he was like, I can come back and fix it. I'm like, no, I want my money back. No, I'm not doing that. Then in the middle of it, he's like, I'm the professional, I'm like, son.
And he's like, well, then you just do it. If
Yeah.
you're the professional, you do it. And he's like, I have a channel and I'm going to make a video. He's like, do what you got to do. And then he just hung up on Carl. I'm like, who acts like that? Versus being like apologetic, like, oh,
He kept telling me, I never even told him to drill this hole over here, to put it over here. I told him to put it over here. See how Mike put it in the center?
Yeah.
I didn't tell him to do this. This motherfucker did that shit anyway. This was all fucked up when he just ran the wire through there. It was just all fucked up. Just all, one wire was just hanging. I'm like, yo, because he covered it with this. So this was covered, and then the wire was all behind the drive pedal.
Oh,
Once
yeah,
we
that's...
put the cover back on, I'm gonna try to pull some slack out of this one just to guide it in the same way.
Okay.
But, did you like it? Let me see it.
No, it's fucking
No,
perfect.
it's perfect.
Babe, get in the car and check it.
Well, we gotta adjust the camera. We can do that later. I gotta find another screw for the other side. Oh, you want to see if it works?
That's it.
Oh,
that's
that's
all.
fine.
Just in case his little, because everything is dependent on that.
stick on.
No, that's
Tacos
fine.
Panchos is right there. No, we can do it. We just have to take the radio out. Because I can't do it. I'm not doing that side again.
That side?
Well, I'm not gonna undo that side.
No, don't undo anything. Just tuck it. It's her. Listen, ask Shelly. She ain't tripping.
I'm tripping.
Shelly's worried about a barbecue sandwich.
You worried about a barbecue tank. Don't try to put that on me.
You see, look, this should have been ran original with this.
Yeah.
And it
Or
could have
we
went
can
through the
just
clips
make
right
it
here.
attach-
Could have went through there.
Is it dangerous?
No, it's not dangerous. It's just ghetto.
Yeah, I know. That's why I flipped the fuck out on them. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, TikTok. But so it's supposed to. I thought it was just supposed to go. I saw everybody on YouTube go through this. You're telling me this piece right here comes.
Okay.
Oh, this is wobbly.
Okay.
It comes out.
Yeah, it comes out. So there's two different types of work.
Okay.
There's work that an individual can do at their house.
Yes.
That's okay. You did it to your own car.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's work that you paid somebody for a professional service.
Correct.
That will do things that you need to have it done regardless if the customer recognizes it or not.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
I mean, apparently all of it works. You know what I mean? It
Yeah.
all works. It got the job done.
Yeah.
So, but you know, you have to have a standard in your work. You know, that's
Yeah.
like a general contractor coming and just patching up, you know, something that's trash. It works.
Yeah.
Customer's happy with it, but is it the right way? It's like, nope.
And that's what happened.
So when we put that chair down, we're gonna
You're gonna see this wire.
worry about like we can't pull it.
Yeah, you don't want to pull it. You know what
Do
I
you
mean?
need slack? That's what you were doing that for, to get you some more slack?
No, just to run it the right way.
Oh. I'm sorry, Mike. I should have just waited and been patient. That's my fault, not wanting to be patient.
I mean, it works. Like I said, it's not that it doesn't work. Like,
No, I like you said, I wanted it done right. I should have just waited.
I'm just not a big fan of, you know, this. You see?
Can we zip tie this like this?
We can.
Pull some more slack, or
Probably you're better off zip tying on this side.
really?
Yeah, just on this side, on the right side.
Is this gonna eat you up at night?
No, I've already gotten over this part of my business. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. This is what pissed you off, doing other people's work, fixing other people's
Yeah.
shit. And that's what I said. I said, this is what I was telling Chile. I'm like, people don't have to do this. If you can't do it, just don't do it. You know what I mean? Just don't do the work. Or don't charge somebody. But why do you have to do such a shitty job and then, you know what I mean? You cause more issues like that. That's why I told Chile, I'm like, I don't even want to take the car to the shop for the AC stuff, because I'm like, they're just going to do the same exact thing for the dollar, for the payment. It's fucked up.
The thing, the longer people get away with stuff, you know
Yeah,
what I mean?
word.
Nobody has to reap the consequences of anything.
And if you didn't know your shit, he would have got away with it. 'Cause we wouldn't have known it.
Yeah.
Different. Like,
If I didn't know the
wouldn't-
look.
I wouldn't have known anything.
No, the reason why this bothers me, like, say for example, you were just a random client at my shop.
Yeah.
I came in to have me redo it, and let's say I'm doing this right here and I'm running like this, and then I see this, I need to. I would prefer to do it a different way, and then you state that, oh, it's okay, just leave it like that, and you go about your business. Well, the next person that you see, and they're gonna say, hey, who did your camera? It's going crazy. And they're gonna be like, oh, Mike did it. You know what I mean? And then when they see Mike, be like, damn, Mike did this? And it's like,
Oh,
hold
okay.
up, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I helped fix it. I didn't
Okay,
do
yeah.
that from the beginning.
Yeah.
But then, you know, it looks bad on other people. You know what I mean? They
Yeah.
have to get-
No, I'm gonna let it be very known that Mike fixed it. No, Mike's not working on your shit. Don't ask, because that's not what's going on. He's not working on your shit. You got to be a special person, but this is perfect. This is perfect. Perfect. I got everything like I'm supposed to have it. Everything works. This is what you're supposed to get. So I'm gonna end this video here because we are pretty much done. But again, Carl's Garage out there. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm always in. What you mean?
You see how it's in? You just have to make it straight, line it, and then put it up. That's it.
You didn't make it straight. What do you mean a line?
You only got one screw.
Yeah.
We ain't got the other screw. If you hit a couple bumps in the road, it's gonna move.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, see? I didn't even know. See? I thought it would have been good. It's been good with one screw this whole time. I thought it was good money.
And secure the bag.
Secure the bag. See, this is what happens. This is why Carl's Garage, I bring you guys the real stuff. I know everybody out there is like, oh, yo, let's make the YouTube fancy and stuff like that. That's why here at Carl's Garage, I'm going to show you guys how it's really done, the issues that you guys can face. And if I face a real issue, I'll share it with you guys. You guys should share it. And hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. I appreciate you. So we're going to finish this up. And then stay tuned for the next video.